Hello and welcome back to English Made Easy. I am your host, Malaya, and I am absolutely thrilled to be here with you today.
And I am Alex. We have a fantastic episode lined up. If you have ever felt a bit nervous about starting a conversation in English, today is for you.
That is right. Today, we are mastering the simple present tense. It's the heartbeat of the English language because it helps us describe our lives, our habits, and the world around us.
Honestly, it's the one thing every beginner needs to get right. It's like the foundation of a house. Without it, things get a bit wobbly.
Exactly. So let's dive in. Simple present is for things that are true all the time, or things we do regularly. For example, I drink coffee every morning.
And I eat toast. It's simple, right? For most people, I, you, we, they, the verb stays just the way it is. I walk, you walk, we walk.
But then there's the he, she, and it, the famous third-person singular.
Ugh, the dreaded S. That's where everyone trips up. You can't just say he walk. You have to say he walks.
Exactly. Think of it as a little gift you give to the verb. He walks, she talks, it works. It sounds small, but it makes you sound so much more fluent.
You know, I used to forget that all the time. I would say, my friend live in London, instead of my friend lives in London. It felt so unnatural at first.
And that's totally okay. Learning is a journey. Let's try a little practice right now for our listeners. Alex, tell me something your best friend does every day.
Okay, let's see. My friend Sarah, she practices the guitar every evening. Notice the S on practices.
Perfect. And for those of you listening, try it out loud. Think of someone you know. What do they do? Do they work? Do they study? Do they dance?
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every time you catch yourself forgetting that S, you are actually getting better. You are noticing the patterns.
We are so proud of the progress you are making. Simple Present is your tool to tell your story to the world.
Keep practicing, keep talking, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. We believe in you.
That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for tuning in to English Made Easy. Until next time, keep shining.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.